Welcome to Zilla. Can you name this 10 nature's colors, just from their missing letter in 80 seconds, without Googling? First one. It's red. Second one. Blue. Third one. Good, it's yellow. Fourth one. Awesome, it's brown. Fifth one. Good, it's orange. Press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Sixth one. It's green. Seventh one. Excellent, it's indigo. Eighth one. It's purple. Ninth one. Good, it's black. Get ready for your last question. Awesome, it's white.